Hi, meet our bar stools. Okay, and now let's paint them as they are awful. Stay with us to see how we transform them. I started by cleaning the chairs really well with Dixie Belle's furniture cleaner, white lightening, and an abrasive sponge. Then I rinse them twice with clean water to get rid of any leftover solution or dirt. Then I applied 2 coats of Slick Stick, which is an adhesion primer that you can use prior to painting shiny surfaces. You can use it on metal, plastic, glass, wood, it's a must-have. On the second chair, we want to leave the seat unpainted, and we just applied some tape so we won't touch the wood with Slick Stick. This chair will be on the other side of our bar, which is connecting with the living room, so leaving the seater as it is will match with some elements from our living room. After applying the second coat, I left them to completely dry for 24 hours. Don't rush the process, even if the excitement to start the project is too big. You can check if it's dry by scratching it with a nail, and if it's dry you shouldn't be able to take it off. Finally, painting the chairs with black, and I used Caviar from Dixie Belle Paint. I applied it with a synthetic brush and I just pick up a small amount of paint. I also had the water close, and this way I will avoid brush strokes. These metal bars were really annoying to paint, by the way. I let the first coat to dry for about 2 hours, and it's time for the second one. The same, apply a small amount of paint, use water and go. When the second coat has dried, I realized there were some spots that I missed, so I went over them with paint. After it dried, I sealed first the black chair. On the seater, I applied 2 coats of Gator Hide, which is a tough sealer, and I let it dry for 2 hours in between the coats. Afterwards, I applied 3 more thin layers of flat clear coat to make the seater matte again, so it will match with the bars. After the first coat dried in about 2 hours, I used a 320 sandpaper grit to have a super smooth finish. And I did this in between the first and the second coat. Let it dry for 2 hours in between the layers and we are done! Photo shooting time, and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, or you just get inspired in any way. And if you did so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more furniture tutorials. See you next time. Bye!